I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Morning. Good morning. Sundsvall Raceway. Walking the track. Looks cool. Looks quick entry. Cool walls, which I like. My taillights doesn't like them, but yeah, our paddock is up. Come here this morning early, 4 o'clock. The car is together, and hopefully this will be a fun weekend. So yeah, stay tuned, and we see you later. What's going on, man? What's going on, man? First lap's out. Feels okay. Some weird noise from the back of the car now in the last one, but let's have a quick check what that was. Oh, that feels great, the car. It has power enough to go through the track, so yeah. Feels great. So what happened?
Yeah, what happened?
We were out in the first training session, and it feels quite alright. The judges asked me to use a little bit less handbrake, so I did. First lap was alright. Second lap I tried to do it even better, but it got much worse. So the mechanics had some job to do. We hit the wall a bit. Bent our trailing arm, the cooling fan and lights and fenders all a bit bruised, but I think it's all together, and we'll be out on training soon again. So time for qualification at 5 o'clock this evening. Yeah, so stay tuned, and we will get back to you later.
Shoes, you might think you'll see me falling
Hello. Ja. Top 32 is over. It was a hectic one. The Eagles lap in this last training session today. I got one lap first, and then in the second lap the throwout pairing decided to quit the job. So we had no clutch. And then we had about 1 hour before the top 32 was going to start. So back in, tear down the gearbox and everything. Found out that the O-rings were broken again for some reason. I think that can be that we didn't have the clutch stop in the right position, possibly. Thanks to Drift Brothers gang, UNSU, they had a throwout bearing, not the exact same model, but we got it fixed. It's a solution that won't stand. I mean, it's there for now, and I don't believe that it will hold up, but it worked, and we managed to go through to top 16. So now time to get some lunch, go in the autograph session and the driver's presentation, and I will best of luck to us in the top 16, where we're meeting Fredrik Persson over there. Yeah, a hectic one, but we're through. Thanks.
Hartman in i muren. Vi kommer inte iväg därifrån.
Vad är det då?
Är det nöjd?
Det gjorde det? Ja, det var det, ja.
Jag försökte ringa upp honom, men det var bara...
Ja.